I think it's amazing that in this conference there is such a diversity with respect to the fields that are being represented.
Well, interaction is very important in academia. I enjoy learning about other people's work. It's also important for young scientists to present their work and get exposure, so I think this is a great event, and there is a good mix of older established scientists and young professors, postdocs. I think it's great.
TINAW conference is diverse in topics, and I can learn from other researchers how they think, what they work on.
It's a very good conference. It's a broad spectrum of topics. So dealing with aging and well-being, but really from basic science, applied science, genetics and behavioral sciences, and this is, I think, the strength of this conference.
My experience from that was very positive. So, I mean, I get to know a lot of people. I get to know a lot more other than just like pure research. We hear about economics, we hear about the social impacts of what we work on aging. So I think that's always a good perspective, and also makes me think about, in a more broad way, about what I want to do after I finish my PhD.
The scientific level was very high, and also you have the possibilities to hear from different approaches, different disciplines, all together to find a treatment or to understand aging from different point of views.
It's a very interesting and very exciting event. What really stands out is the combination of different disciplines. Basically, a lot of researchers, a lot of leaders, a lot of seminal researchers coming from life science, social science, trying to create an interdisciplinary environment which can foster further research and further opportunities of cooperation between the different universities of the Alliance.
International collaboration plays a major role in promoting research, and this is what Ulysseus Network is about.
For Laval University, I think what is very important to collaborate with the European University is to access this network about students, researchers, and the quality of research.
Here in Ulysseus we can find many intelligent and motivating people for cooperation and for our research.
As we say, the world is a small city. I think we have to profit from this, especially today in our context, to put our mutual efforts to gain better research, to achieve better results when we work together. So this collaborative feature is important.
Ulysseus, it's a good project because make possibility for lots of scientists from Europe to work together and to speak about possible solution for improve current situation on the field.
Ulysseus is really important to foster innovation in University Côte d'Azur.
So we have this nice interaction between research, teaching and innovation. And I think since we can share this knowledge and these activities with different universities from different parts of Europe, we can gain more knowledge and can get more efficient projects.
I think that the project about Ulysseus is amazing because as an early career researcher, having the possibility to create such a kind of network between different universities throughout Europe and then being involved in their projects and also having this framework of different universities that can ease the connection and also moving from one country to the other is a great opportunity for early career researcher but also for research inside the network.
Really gave me a very different perspective on the project that I'm working on, and for that I'm actually very, very grateful. So I've met a lot of wonderful people, a lot of wonderful researchers, and yeah, made some new friends here.
I think it's really necessary to work together internationally because, well, the problems are more or less the same in Europe. Often one country is ahead of the other, so we can learn from each other regarding the problems, but also regarding the solutions.
This type of event for us is really a bright opportunity to promote, the activity and the dynamism of the research activity on this territory, and to foster also the international collaboration between this academic network and all the universities in Europe.
I think it's been very good. We got very good speakers, very interesting talks, a range of different topics, but all of them quite relevant to lifelong well-being. And I've got to learn quite a few things. I've been able to engage in some very interesting discussions and conversations. So I think it's a very positive experience.
Of course, on a personal level, I want to learn more about aging and actually well-being, so to move forward with the better understanding what is actually going on in the field. And we had world-class speakers at the meeting, so that's why it was very good to be present here to learn new things.
I think it's very important for all of us, all the postdoc fellows, because it's a way to meet people and to collaborate with other good scientists in the world. So I think it's a very good opportunity for all of us.
Well, give me visibility also with other people in the same field, and it helps me in creating new connection.
I can create some communication, some networking with them, and share some ideas with them, and get their expert opinion on my studies, and maybe try to find another position in my career, or just get their advice how I can improve my studies or my career.
I'm also creating a bit of a network by encountering, discussing with people working on the field, and probably have the opportunity to go into other labs, learning a lot of different techniques, some different aspects of biology, aging, etc. So will probably make my horizon a bit wider of what I can do.
It's a very great organization, very nice people, and I feel at home. So I think they created a great atmosphere and a great ground for communication and exchanging of opinions.
This is very impressive places and high quality of members, and I'm very happy to join this conference.